Freezing out there, hasn't it? But today, the difference is we've got a little bit of sunshine. This is a rather moth-eaten satellite picture, isn't it? But it just shows that it's a little brighter than yesterday. The fog's been quite slow to clear, but it is now lifting at long last. It's nothing special out there. Temperatures are still only 2 to 6 degrees Celsius, and they will drop like a stone across the east of Scotland, England and Wales this evening and overnight. But subtle changes further west. This weather system will usher in more cloud. That'll blanket the fall in temperature somewhat for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Elsewhere, we're looking at another cold night, if anything. I think a tad colder than last night. These are the towns and the cities' temperatures. Now, out in the countryside, particularly over the snow cover, for example, across the Pennines and the Peak District, -6 to -8 certainly on the card. So a cold frosty start tomorrow morning, and the potential across the western side of England and Wales for some freezing fog once again. But it should be a bright, crisp start for many of us. Plenty of sunshine around, but it is a tale of two halves. Head further northwards and we start to run into that weather system, and it's rain. By morning, starting to set in quite heavily across Scotland, western Scotland, Northern Ireland. Mostly rain, could be temporarily a little bit icy, but it is getting a little milder with that weather front and the strong winds. I suppose it is milder, but it's probably not going to feel that way because of the strong winds. Now, hanging on to the sunshine, mostly central and eastern areas, because we see that sunshine eroded for Wales, the west and north of England to the afternoon. It returns actually in the northwest with a few wintry showers on the hills, but notice the temperatures. They are significantly higher than they have been for some time. That weather front will push right across the country through Friday night, so a smattering of rain, and then behind it we see this ridge of high pressure building. Now, as it does so, we get into the cold air again, so it looks like we'll revert back to the cold as we move into Saturday. Bit of a seesaw, the weather forecast actually. Come Sunday, we've got that mild air with those weather fronts coming in. So it's your choice really. What's your favourite? Cold and crisp, that's Saturday. Could be a bit icy to start with plenty of showers in the north. Could be hail and thunder to start, and snow mostly over the hills, but they do recede through the day, and it's still pretty cold because of the wind actually. On Sunday the wind's just as strong, but coming in from the southwest even this time, blowing a gale in the north and west and bringing more cloud and some patchy rain as well. So very different days actually this weekend, with probably the best day for getting out and about with the sunshine being on Saturday, but you have to contend with the ice. Much cloudier for most of us on Sunday, and of note, there will be a steady thaw of that snow across Scotland, so the river levels will need watching as well. Simon.
Helen, thank you very much.